From the first moments you enter Croatia, you may rest assured that we are taking necessary measures and the highest level of precautions to ensure that you are protected from COVID. Maintaining the mandatory safe distance, insisting on hygiene and regular body temperature checks are just some of the procedures that are required, both in public spaces, institutions, and facilities that you will visit during your stay. This is why you can relax and enjoy all of Croatia's beautiful landmarks safely. At petrol stations, as well as other touchpoints throughout your travels, we ensure your maximal protection. When you see the signs, safe travels and safe stay, you can be sure that you are in a facility whose measures are regularly checked, with the goal of preserving your health and safety, as well as that of your family. You can begin to finally experience a relaxed holiday full of fun and moments to remember. Even on the excursions you take, you will notice total attention is aimed towards ensuring your health and safety. Every day, the disinfection of objects you get in contact with will allow you to delight in a carefree vacation and let you relax in your natural surroundings. Make the most of it. Croatia also has a lot to offer in terms of culture. This is why our museums and galleries have implemented the prescribed health and safety measures for full enjoyment and plenty of new experiences. Health and safety are of utmost importance when you decide to take pleasure in the vast offer of Croatian restaurants, bistros, and cafes. And this is why they are organized in a manner where direct contact is avoided when possible, and the staff is trained to ensure your privacy and health. Enjoy yourselves, as Croatia has it all, from recreation to pleasant intimate moments and outdoor fun for kids. If you've already been to Croatia, welcome back. If this is your first time visiting, welcome, enjoy, and take the time to explore. Croatia awaits you, ready for a safe and relaxing holiday.